In this video, I'll show you how to buy Yeezys using the Adidas app. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, if you haven't done so already, download the Adidas app on your mobile device. And then once you have downloaded and installed the Adidas app, you'll be brought to the home page here and make sure to sign in. So as you can see, I'm signed in. There'll be a sign in button. So you can sign up via Gmail or email address, etc. Once you're signed in, click onto the search button down here and then click on find products. And then type in Yeezys. Then click on search. Well, it would help if I spell it correctly. And there you go. So in this search, you got all these different styles of Yeezys you can choose from. So for this demonstration, if I want the men's original Yeezys, I'm going to click into that for 240 Australian. Depending what location, will be a different. Alright, so scroll down and you can see the size chart here. If you want to have a look at the size chart to see if it correctly matches your foot, give you a good guide. So heel to toe, you can do by centimeters, inches, etc. So you can have a look how to measure and all that stuff. So go back, choose the correct size, and then after that click on add to bag and then click on view bag. And as you can see, I've already got something else in my cart. So to remove something in your cart, click on the three dots and then click on remove from bag. And I just want these Yeezys. So now from here, go ahead and click on to checkout at the bottom of the page. Now from here, click on to shipping, select shipping method, put in a promo code if you got one, then go ahead and click on place order. Then after that, you'll be taken to the place where you need to add in your card details or PayPal, etc. And then click on confirm, and then you have successfully ordered a pair of Yeezys from the Adidas app.